Now, some Apple iPhones have an always-on display feature. It's available on every model in the iPhone 17 series, and some older models support it too. What does this always-on display feature do? Well, when you lock your phone, you can still see the time, and sometimes, if you want, you can set a wallpaper to show up too. It appears in a dimmer light, so every time a notification comes in, you'll know, and you can check the time as well. It's a cool feature, and if you want to enable it, you can. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the always-on display feature on your Apple iPhone. To do this, the first thing you should do is open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down, and you'll see Display Brightness. Tap on it. Then, keep scrolling, and you'll find the always-on display option. Click on that. Sometimes, it's turned off, which is why you might not see the feature. If you want to enable it, just turn it on. After that, you can customize it too, if you'd like. For example, you might want to see your wallpaper. If so, just turn that option on. You can also blur the wallpaper if you want. And sometimes, you might want to see notifications too. In that case, you can enable Show Notifications. But here's the thing, enabling these features will use more battery. So, if you want the always-on display but less battery drain, you can disable Show Wallpaper. That way, the wallpaper won't show up. Similarly, you can disable Show Notifications too. When you do that, only the time and some widgets will show, which won't use as much battery. So, if you want the always-on display but with lower battery consumption, you can turn those options off. Anyway, after this, when you lock your phone, you'll see the time displayed. That's how you can easily enable the always-on display feature on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.